In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create products in the product library in HubSpot so you can organize your offerings and manage pricing easily. Start by logging into your HubSpot account and going to the top navigation bar. Click on Commerce, then select Products. This will take you to your product library where all your products and services are stored. Next, click on the Create Product button in the top right corner. This will open the form where you can enter your product details. Begin by entering the product name so your team can easily identify it. Then add the SKU, which is a unique code for each product, especially useful if you have multiple variations. After that, fill in the description to give a quick overview of the product or service. Keep it simple and clear so anyone on your team can understand it. Now choose the product type. Select whether it's inventory, non-inventory, or a service depending on what you're offering. Next, enter the price of your product. If you use multiple currencies, make sure to add the price for each one as needed. You can also set the billing frequency if your product is a subscription like monthly or yearly. Then add the unit cost, which helps track your profit margins automatically inside HubSpot. If you have an image for your product, paste the image URL to make your product library more visual and organized. Once everything is filled out, click Save to add the product to your library. And that's it. You've created a product in HubSpot, making it easier to manage your catalog, track pricing, and streamline your sales process.